Welcome to this Delft Stack tutorial video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to integrate Discord with ClickUp. Whether you're managing a team, collaborating on projects, or simply want to get real-time updates directly in your Discord server, this simple step-by-step guide will walk you through everything you need to know. Ready to connect your productivity tools and streamline communication? Let's get started. First, open your ClickUp account and go to your account settings. Once you're there, look for the App Center. This is where ClickUp connects with all your favorite apps and communication tools, so it's really the central hub for integrations. Make sure to follow along carefully so you don't miss any important details. Next, in the App Center, scroll down to Communication and find Discord. Click on Install Discord, and then choose Manage or Add to Discord. You'll need to wait a few moments for it to load properly. This step is important because it ensures that ClickUp can send notifications directly to your chosen Discord server without any interruptions. To make the process smoother, here are a few quick tips. Make sure you're logged into the correct Discord account and double-check that you have the necessary permissions to add bots to your server. Doing this beforehand prevents errors, saves time, and keeps everything running smoothly. Once the integration loads, select the Discord server where you want ClickUp notifications to appear. Click Continue, then authorize ClickUp to access your Discord account. You may also need to complete a quick verification to confirm you're not a bot. It's a small but essential step to make sure everything works correctly. After that, wait a few moments for the integration to finish setting up. And there you go. Your Discord server is now fully connected with ClickUp, allowing real-time notifications for tasks, updates, and comments straight to your server. This makes team collaboration faster, easier, and more transparent, ensuring everyone stays on the same page and nothing slips through the cracks. And that's all there is to it. By following these simple steps, you'll be able to integrate Discord with ClickUp easily and efficiently, enhancing your team communication and productivity immediately. Thanks for watching this Delft Stack tutorial video, and I hope you found it helpful. If this helped you out, feel free to share it with others who might be struggling with the same setup. Why not make someone's day easier and more productive?